What's up, UHS Hardware fans? I just want to show you guys that I got the new Triton Key Cutter in, the Triton Plus. We've already unboxed it, and here's everything that came in the package. It comes with this cool little page here you gotta scan to get the new updated manual, these sheets showing you all the parts and pieces that are supposed to be in the box, and then we've also got all of these extra little awesome pieces. So this is the Plus model that comes with this nifty little pack here on the side. Pretty sure this is the full model for both home and auto. So it comes with both the S1 clamp as well as the S4 clamp. And initially it comes with these decoders, 1.5mm cutter and a 2mm cutter. One of them's already pre-installed in the machine, as you can see here. It's a really beautiful machine. That gorgeous thing. So beyond that, the second clamp, the S4 clamp, seems to be for the Tibby type keys as well as dimple cut keys. It comes with some dimple cutters as well as your dimple decoder. You can see here some pretty nice dimple cutters. Let's flip these over. These are our original pieces that come with. That one's not in. Also comes with this hex wrench and your brush for cleaning. Let's check it out real close. Gonna power this thing on soon and see how it goes.